Were you married?
Did you have children?
Did you ever get to see your children again?
I got it. It's.
Blink?
I think it's blinking.
Did you make that light blink over there?
It's either that or pixelation on my camera. I thought I saw it blink. Maybe it was my pixelation on my camera. I'll go back and look.
Can you make that light blink again if you did it?
I think it was my camera. Make that light blink. There's a couple lights to go up. Can you make it go up? It's pretty far away.
Did you ever reconnect with any of your family?
Were you sad at the way that people have treated you?
Still walking away. Are you laughing at us?
It's the Underground Railroad Center. Not getting a whole lot.
You think what happened to you is sick and disgusting?
We're on your side, you know. They're trying to divide us again. Put one against each other. Races against races. We don't like it either.
Who was the president during your time?
We're stronger as one people and they know it. That's what they're afraid of. That's what they were afraid of back then too.
Just him walking past the reporter.
It was awesome.
How old were you when you got sold?
That's McDonald's you hear in the background. So I'm on the back side. If my phone will hold out. I've been using all the storage space trying to delete videos. So I'm walking all the way around the building myself here. You can see that's where they are. I'm directly behind it. There's the exit sign from inside. Let's go ahead and walk all around the building here. They're all right here. Another window. Coming around the other side. It's pretty dark back here. But it's lit up in the front. Oh, I can see through the window. That's the inside, but you can't see it really. So let me get back around the side here.